Looking for sump pit installation in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important it is to keep your basement dry. Our sump pit installation service protects your Edmonton home from flooding, preventing costly damage. In Edmonton, we know that unpredictable weather and varying soil types can be a real challenge. That's why Kingstree Plumbing offers specialized sump pit solutions tailored to the unique conditions in Edmonton. We're experienced, reliable, and committed to your satisfaction. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for sump pit installation in Edmonton.